Hi friends, welcome to another video by Technical Mac. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification because we are one of the very few channels with regular giveaways and amazing tech tips and tricks. So today I'm going to talk about an app which most of you guys would have probably heard about. It's called MPL, that is Mobile Premier League. It's not available in the Play Store and you have to download it externally, but most of the Indians pretty much know about it. So I'm just going to talk you through about the app and whether you really need to install that app, and I'm actually here to show you guys whether the app is a scam or not. So like I said guys, Mobile Premier League is not available in the Play Store. You have to download it externally because these types of apps are usually not allowed by the Play Stores, even if it's Apple Play Store or like Google Play Store. So once you get into the app, the main focus is, if for you guys who don't know about the app, probably you might have just seen it in advertisements because all these big celebrities come and promote it. So once you check out the app just, you just have to play games, and the app claims that you can win a lot of money, like 1 lakh or even up to 1 crore and all. That's their advertisements. So the thing is, I'm just like trying to play here just that game, Fruit Ninja type replica model, and you just, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, so it keeps on happening. So in the beginning you will be given like, they would give you like 3 rupees and all, and they would say congratulations and all that stuff. So in the beginning you might think that okay, they're gonna give you like more money as much as you play. The more you play, you'll get like 3 rupees, then it becomes 5 rupees, then it becomes 8 rupees, so it keeps going on. Now the thing is, they have like lot of attractive offers in the beginning. They would absolutely tell you that your cash balance is 13 rupees. You can top up the amount, and once you top up, you can even apply coupons to increase your wallet amount so that you can play more games. So the app has everything that needs to be done on the outside. It has an attractive user interface, and people would absolutely feel that this is like a genuine app. So there is like a catalog of games, like plenty of games for you to choose from. So basically you're bidding money to play the game, and a lot of people bid, and the person who wins collects the total. Like it might be like, if you bid for 3 rupees, you might win like 7 rupees if you win. So that's the whole rule. So it keeps on increasing. You can bid for more, like if you pay like 50 rupees, you can win up to 90 rupees. So I'm just going to like add like 20 rupees or something, and I just checked, I didn't want to waste a lot of money, so I just added like 20 rupees. Now my total coin balance was like 33 coins. So I could play like all the small games which cost like 4 rupees or something. So I just because I just wanted to show you guys like how this thing functions. So once you go back, again they'll be having like a lot of games. They'll come up with like more attractive of like, you have won 3 rupees winning cash. All these types of trickeries come up. Congratulations, you won again like 3 points and something if you win a game and stuff. Now just like whenever you're playing a game, there'll be a lot of people, and we are not even sure whether those are like real people playing up against you. Initially it would be, but as you progress, the thing is that the games become really difficult, or the storeroom, that is the game store, will run out of games if they find out that you're performing really well. So you see, I've just like putting short clips here that some games I've lost, some games I win, and whenever you lose a game, your entire money that you used, that is if your entry fee is 4 rupees, it will go completely. If you come second, you might get some amount, so it goes on like 1 rupee or 2 rupee. So initially the thing is, you have to sit for hours in order to make some money out of it. Even to win like 50 rupees or 100 rupees, you have to play for hours. That is like, you might get to do, you can even do something more productive and earn more money than playing MPL. So actually I wanted to try out something else also, because I just thought of playing a quiz game, because all the other games were kind of like too kiddish and you know, probably people who are used to playing all these games have more chances of earning some money. I mean, some money in the term like 20 rupees or like 40 rupees at the max if you sit for hours. So my balance was like 26 rupees, so I thought of like giving it one more shot. Probably I would play like around, you know, like this quiz game that you can see on the screen, like Technical Mac versus some other, what is this, cat dog, and all these pictures come up. Okay, random people, let's just assume these are not bots. So they ask you all these silly types of questions in the beginning. All of these are types of food, except like all those are like very silly questions for you to earn some money. So once I played those games, you can get like 4 rupees. It's just like a mode of encouragement, you know. Initially they would give around 5 rupees, then 4 rupees, and it keeps on going. So so what they're trying to do is they're trying to attract you, like they're trying to make you play more, so that in the end you'll end up betting for a lot of money, like playing initially for like 50 rupees or something, and you'll end up losing everything. So and I checked the leaderboard, it's like it looks as if all these people are like not even real players. Like how can someone like win even more than one, like what they've been playing for years or what? So I'm not actually sure, because this all looked like, you cannot call it like a proper scam, but it is definitely an app that will loot money. So the thing is, what I wanted to say was, when you search via Google, even I just checked whether is MPL a scam, and if you go check out the Quora answers, a lot of people have answered there whether this is actually a scam or not. MPL, for most of the people, they said that it's a way to loot more money. So even if like you're someone who's a hardcore player, you wouldn't reach past like a certain amount of money, because either they'll make the game more tough, or they'll say that the game is, you know, not available to play right now, go play some other game. So if you like try to play some other game which you're not good at, you'll end up losing more money. So in the end, this company is like making a lot of money, even if it's like, imagine like 2 lakh people playing, and 2 lakh people invested like 100 or 1000 rupees, and they're playing. Like you can do the math and you can find out how much this company is earning. So what I'm trying to convey here is that, you know, you're just wasting your time trying to download MPL and trying to earn money. Because if you are looking forward to earn a lot of money like how they advertise through MPL, it is not a good idea, guys. Trust me, do not fall for this. It's just a money looting app. That's why it's not even available in the Play Store. So please be careful, guys, and only download safe apps. Thank you.